Africa has a housing deficit, but more importantly, a leadership gap. Leadership gaps don't fix themselves, they are built intentionally. For nearly 20 years, AIHS has connected governments, developers, and financiers. But sustainability requires preparing the next generation to step into influence. AIHS Young Professionals Club gives mentorship, industry exposure, and practical experience. It grooms future housing leaders to drive innovation, entrepreneurship, and delivery. Members gain access to mentors, internships, innovation pitch sessions, and capacity building workshops. You also get media exposure and eligibility for recognitions like the AIHS Young Professionals Award and 40 Under 40. Membership builds your network across Africa, connecting young professionals in housing, construction, real estate, and urban development. Registration is now open at www.africahousingshow.com/AIHS Young Professionals Club. The first 200 members receive exclusive access to selected AIHS at 20 sessions, an official membership certificate, and direct mentorship. Step into the room, where Africa's future housing leaders are being shaped.